Students, today is Saturday. Again, we are assembled here for our online classes. As you know that today is Saturday and your subject is SST. So, please join your classes. Myself Namita, today I am going to start revision work because you all are knowing that from 8th of March your annual exam is going to be start and you have to give online exams. No offline exam will be held, only online exams will be held, and you have to know all the patterns. I have sent you the typology also. You are knowing the typology, that 15 marks for true and false, 15 marks for fill in the blanks, 15 marks for one words, and 20 marks for question and answer. So according to this you will prepare yourself, and according to this I have started the revision work also. Today I am going to give you assignment, give you the revision work according to your syllabus. Today I am providing you answer in one words. See question number 1. The only ocean named after a country is, answer is Indian Ocean. Number 2. A river which passes through Delhi is, answer is Yamuna. Number 3. The landform found in the north of India is, answer is mountain. Number 4. In which group of island is located in Bay of Bengal? Answer is Andaman and Nicobar. Number 5. What help us to reach your destination without getting lost? Answer is direction. Now see question number 5. What is the question number 5? Question number 5 is, what help us to reach your destination without getting lost? Answer is direction. Number 6. In which direction does the sun set in the evening? Answer is west. Number 7. The old Chinese invention that help us to locate direction is, answer is compass. Number 8. If you are going from Gujarat to Assam, then in which direction are you traveling? Answer is west to east. Number 9. A house that is always made above the ground level is called a stilt house. Now see number 10. Number 10 is the material used in making permanent houses. Answer is cement. Number 11. A house on which is, answer is caravan. Number 12. The types of houses a person builds depends on, answer is location, money, climate and natural resources. Number 13. People should follow correct eating habit for our, answer is healthy life. Number 14. Vishu grandmother run a training center for poor women. Number 15. A nuclear family generally has, answer is parents and children. Number 16. Your maternal parents are your, answer is mother parents. Number 17. The early settlements were made close to rivers. Number 18. Home of early man is called, number 18. Answer is cave. Number 19. Most useful stone tools, answer is spear. Number 20. The biggest discovery of early man was, answer is fire. Like this I have given you one word answer, so please revise it because all questions are set according to your coming examination. See your homework. The homework is given on the screen. To do the exercises in your copy, revise the chapter. So please be punctual and do your classes regularly. And from 8th March you have to give your online examination, so that please be ready for that. Thanking you. Goodbye.